Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're going to learn how to shave cheese. This is a particularly gnarly looking cheese. It is not indeed a camembert or a brie. It is a Caerphilly. This is what happens when you leave it in the cheese cave in a ripening box for too long. So what I set about doing was shaving the cheese. It looks like there's shaving cream all over it. It's not. It's Penicillium candidum or Geotrichum candidum. I wasn't too sure. So with a flat knife, I'm using a butter knife there. I'm using the reverse side without any serration, and I'm just scraping off the white mould. Don't worry too much at this stage about any other moulds that may be underneath the white coating. We're just trying to get the white mould off the cheese. And it kind of looks like you're shaving somebody's beard. So once I've got the top and bottom done, I commenced to do the sides or the round part of the cheese. So just gently scraping that off, and you notice there are all sorts of other funky moulds underneath that must have grown before the white mould took hold. Now it's very firm cheese. It certainly has held its shape. It didn't deform the way, say, a normal camembert would deform, because this is fairly low moisture cheese. Now I'm actually working on the surface to try to get rid of all the black mould or grey moulds that built up, and just gently scraping or shaving those moulds off of the cheese. I'm doing a pretty good job there too. Now if there are any deep ones, don't worry about that. Don't go too far into the rind of the cheese. Certainly don't want to wreck the integrity of the rind. So just gently scraping, as you can see there. And that looks fairly clean. Nice. So and then around the edges, I've done the same thing. Just scrape the black mould off where I see it, or any extra white mould that may be present. So after a brine wash, this is how it looked. Nice, clean looking Caerphilly, and there'll be a Caerphilly video out soon. Well, thanks for watching curd nerds. As always, now you know how to shave a cheese. Check out some of these other videos that YouTube has recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.